Dear friends, now I'm going to dictate elaboration of Tamil Nadu Technical Examinations paper, that is May June 1979, for higher grade. This dictation contains 5 minutes. You know very well. 5 letters are there. Content is important. Please get ready. Number 1. Sealed tenders are invited by Tamil Nadu Small Industries Corporation Limited, Madras, from reputed transport operators who are owning lorries or tractors for appointment as transport contractors for Tansy Structurals mature dam for a period of 1 year. Last date for receipt of tender 4 p.m. on 6th January. Tenders will be opened at 5 p.m. same day before tenderers. If any detailed tender documents and conditions can be had from deputy manager on payment of non-refundable sum of rupees 20 either by cash or money order in favor of senior accounts officer. Crossed check for rupees 500 being earnest money deposit should accompany tender. Corporation reserves right to accept or reject any tender. Draft tender notice. Number 2. Draft advertisement for the post of plant engineer in Electric Construction and Equipment Company Limited, Madras. Applicant should be qualified with mechanical or electrical degree. Age 35 to 40 years. Should have confidence and experience to control and maintain plant consisting of tank fabrication, electrical testing laboratory and coil winding. Salary between 3 to 4,000 rupees per month. Salary and other emoluments are negotiable. Job offers excellent opportunities for advancement with possibility of deputation abroad. Candidate should apply with complete biodata within 15 days to the executive vice president. Draft an application in response to the advertisement. Number 3. Draft a circular from Managing Director of the Indian Oil Corporation, Madras, to the Indian Roads and Transport Development Association and automobile associations, impressing the need for conserving petrol and diesel to save drain on foreign exchange. Demand for petrol and high speed diesel oil was increasing by leaps and bounds. The corporation had planned for 3% increase in demand for motor spirit over last year, but its assumption went wrong and demand went up by 8%. Similarly, for diesel, the demand had gone up by 12% against their assumption of 9%. Country's economy would suffer if demands are not met. Fiscal measures to control assumption had not borne fruit. Road transport operators should be educated to adopt fuel savings measures. Number 4. A pilgrim to Shabarimala was killed and 70 people were injured when two fast passenger buses of Kerala Road Transport Corporation collided head on near Koyattam. 16 of the injured were taken to Koyattam Medical College Hospital and 10 had been given outpatient treatment. Condition of two admitted to hospital was stated to be serious. All others discharged after first aid. The body was identified as Ramachandran, employee of Life Insurance Corporation of India. Most of those admitted to hospital were pilgrims from Tamil Nadu who were returning home from Shabarimala. The bus in which they were traveling was coming from Trivandrum when it collided with another bus proceeding to Trivandrum. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident. Number 4. Number 5. Write a letter to the editor of Hindu regarding increasing the number of seats in our medical colleges. At present, on a rough estimate, there are more than 1 lakh of unemployed and underemployed medical graduates in the country. In addition, 10,000 graduates are added to this number annually. Out of 100 hospitals and 6 medical colleges, hardly 12 come up anywhere near the standards laid down by Medical Council of India. In many major hospitals attached to medical colleges, facilities and supply of drugs are not adequate. Quite often, substandard medical colleges are given recognition by Medical Council of India on humanitarian grounds. It is high time we think of improving quality of doctors and standards of medical aid rather than superfluous multiplication in numbers.